All right, boys. So, see the S10's in here. We're getting the Nitrous kit installed. Got it mounted up already, which I should have started recording a little while ago. But yeah, next video. Last video I put it on, and I couldn't get it to click because I still had a wide open throttle switch or whatever activating it. But I didn't want to do that. I want to do by a button. So that's how we're be installing it today. All right, boys. So the kit's finally done. But the only issue is we're gonna use that bottle to like spray it real quick, but this fitting is different than the one I have currently on the truck. So I have to get my own bottle filled, which is fine. I have to get my own anyways, but for the most part, look, check this out. Clean install, quick, easy. And I did mention that one of the solenoids was bad or whatever, right? So, I'll put you in. I don't know if y'all seen the Yellow Belly video, there's a slow ass Regal in the background. And that was, they ride pretty slow, and that's him right there. So maybe we can line up with him tomorrow if we do go. Give me the hit. Whew. Like 60 foot's a lot, man. That's a lot. Damn. But yeah. So I guess we're gonna have an automatic W if we race him. So yeah, I think we're about to go do a little cruise, maybe pick up Nitrous or some shit. I don't know. All right, boys. So I thought we were gonna go get Nitrous, but this wants to call me out, so we're gonna go run him instead. I got a little passenger.
I got a little passenger. Yeah.
All right, boys. So we made it to Mexico. I don't know exactly where we're at. But we're in Mexico somewhere. Took a little trip. But yeah, here's the truck and the street. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know where we're at. I'm not from this part of town, from the north side of Mexico, no, south side of Mexico. But yeah, got a little hit. See what the fuck happens. We got him! F that! Small block, whatever this shit goes. Let's go! They gave me the hit, got him again, baby. Ah, they hit a lot. Boy, they were sick because I tried to do a little fishtail and it didn't fishtail for anything.
Your shit was leaking a little bit, man?
Yeah.
Did you see how my shit ran at the end? That's fucking fucked up.
Damn, what'd you put? F your LS or something?
F your LS.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, that's why the extended cab got scared.
That's what he said about the white truck.
Yeah, it got scared, dog. No, hey, bro, we didn't leave you.
Yeah, y'all turned the wrong way. That means you left me.
Let's see this.
Yeah, that bitch is already showing thread in certain spots.
I know it's not, bro. They're still good.
Yeah, right. Look at the other one.
Yeah, I want to go
He made me show the tires just because The first 2 L's.
We'll do it. First 2 L's. All right.
Hey, let me see the sticker again.
Hey, that fool made the sticker.
We're gonna get it at Yellow Belly then.
Oh, we can. Predictions. If I break, I'm not even driving it. Alright, we're about to race the Turbo Fight 3. He's getting a passenger, a handicap. The Fight 3 S10, I don't think that's what it takes. Let's see what it does. Alright boys, so first race is gonna be a dig. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the nitrous on. Alright boys, so the past videos he sends to me, he got me, the truck spins really bad. I should have done a burnout and stuff like that, but this next one I'll do a little burnout, get tires a little bit hot. I'll probably do a bigger burnout. I needed to hook, and I did hit the nitrous this last race, but I mean I was too behind and it was still spinning, so maybe right now we're doing another hit in Mexico at the light, and we'll see how it does, how it comes out with this next little hit. Check the ground weight. Yeah, the ground, see how loose that shit is? Alright, Perica. Huh?
I need you to tune this, man.
Turn it up or what?
That too.
Why? Because you took an L?
Well, fucking ground cable. Yes, you do. Well, at least you figured out what it was.
I gapped them, then I helped them fix it. We were friends.
But, it was gonna be a good run, but it like fell off boost or something.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it shut down. The ground cable like fell off. We'll do a roll real quick. We'll go around the block real quick. Bet.
I don't think you should do that.
Nah, I'm gonna do it without nitrous too. Shout out to the homie for sponsoring that prep. Alright, so the plan is we're gonna do a little burnout on that, do a little burnout up to like right there or something, let off, back up on it. Let's see how it does.
straight back.
A little more. That sounds alright. I thought it was gonna be louder. Alright boys, hopefully I have enough video to make this whole video because I've been slacking on recording a lot. So we got the nitrous and we hit it like 3 times, I think, 2 times. Not 100% sure, but yeah, the truck doesn't, it just spins right now, I guess because the street's cold and I need to warm up the tires really well. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, finish the videos. That was shout out to Hector and shout out to Philip for being down to record for me tonight, even though they gotta work early in the morning. Me too, but shout out to them. And it's cold outside. He's wearing shorts and a t-shirt, and we can't even see Philip. Bye boys, peace.